Good gardening morning, family and friends. It's potato time. So let's look at the box of potatoes that I got through the U.S. mail. Now, some of you might know that I haven't put out a video for a while because Rona decided to visit me. But the garden waits for no one, and the potatoes are here. Let's get into it. So let's look at what is in our box of potatoes. I bought these from Wood Prairie Family Farm, and they are located in the state of Maine. They do not ship when it's freezing because potatoes are perishable. If they freeze, they're gonna rot and go bad. So let's see what we've got. So here's our box. Looks like we've got a nice invoice. We've got an organic potato growing guide. So we can look at that. A nice thank you card. Oh, a nice new catalog. The first of our potatoes is Butte. These are russet potatoes that are supposed to be high in vitamin C and protein, and they're good for baked, mashed, or fried potatoes. And this is 2.5 pounds. And we have a certification on the back. Oh, and these are supposed to make white flowers with a tad bit of purple on them, so we'll be able to see that when they flower. The next one we have is Dark Red Norland. Dark Red Norland. These are red skin potatoes with firm white flesh, good for boiling, baking, and frying. And we also have the certificate on the back. I got 2.5 pounds of both the Butte and the Dark Red Norland. Now these I bought 1 pound. Caribe. This one is a purple skin, snow white flesh, great potato for boiling, baking, and frying, so this one will be interesting. And finally, we have all blue. I must admit that I'm fascinated with the all blue potatoes. I had some last year. I enjoyed growing them, and I certainly enjoyed eating them. So this one has a deep blue skin and flesh, outstanding flavor, moist texture, good in salads, baked or boiled. So a pound of these. So in about a week or so, we're going to cut these potatoes up and get them ready for planting right after Valentine's Day. It's good to be back and doing some things in the garden. I'll see you next time, getting ready for our potatoes. Have a wonderful week full of bountiful blossoms and blessings.